me perhaps the thickest iPhone in the world. It looks like the white iPhone 4, slightly bigger, but 3 times thicker than the real one. So, what is it? It is actually a mini portable air cooler. It's cute, light, and easy to carry. All I need to do is press the home button. Cool! Now let me tell you how it works. First, you have to open the cover. This is a screwless design, so you only need to push the back cover. Do you see something that's like a piece of blue cheese? Rinse the blue cheese and squeeze it hard. Put it back to the body of the air cooler. Last, press the home button, and you will see a wet light on. There's a built-in lithium battery. You can connect a USB cable to your computer to recharge. That's how simple it is.